Once your nude lip is how you like, then you go in with your setting spray. Now, sis, I OD with the setting spray because you can never have too much setting spray on your face. I need my makeup to stay in place because I never know what's going to happen. So I need to be prepared at all times.
I say I only want one night, but I ain't gon' spend the night. I ain't looking for relations, I'm just giving pipe. Want a foreign bad bitch, ride me like a bite. What's
up, Urban Mafia? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SHAE SHAKUR, the only urban goddess on this YouTube platform. Like, sis, did you forget? So today I am bringing you lace front realness. Hopefully I can give you guys that effect. Who is that texting me? My boyfriend. So today in this video, I will be showing you guys this lace front wig that I purchased from samsbeauty.com. Now, you guys know I don't do lace fronts, and I'm quite on a rush trying to record this video. It's 11:43, so yeah, I got somewhere to be, somewhere to go. So hence that's why I'm in my bathroom. So yeah. So the lace front I got is the Outre lace front wig Coco in the color 2T425. Now I see some reviews on this wig. Not many, at least not in this color. But yeah, no talk. I'm just gonna get straight into it and just watch me attempt to slay this lace front wig. Okay. All right. So this is the wig Outre Coco in the color 2T/425. I must admit, this wig is hot AF. Okay, this is super duper hot. Now I really couldn't show myself laying this lace front wig because I don't wear lace front wigs, so I really have to concentrate just so I can get it to lay, you know what I'm saying? So, but I basically did the typical, made some baby hairs in the front, laid with the black got-to-be glue, and I put some mousse at the top. I plucked the part a little bit, and I put some face powder in the part. You know, I think that's what she's, ain't no thing. I know that's what you're supposed to do with lace front wigs, so. Now, I know y'all see me doing this a lot throughout the video. It's because this wig is super duper flat. When I say flat, I mean it's not big hair, and I'm used to big hair. I have a full face, so my face is fat. It's big, it's fat. So I feel like big hair just makes my face look a little slimmer, but with flat, loose waves hair like this just makes my face look fatter. I don't know. But this is how I laid the wig, you know, laid the best way that I could. Now this wig is extremely long. The hair is soft. The waves are super duper pretty, and this color is just making it the bomb.com. Now I know that if I had a 1B, maybe I would have liked this wig a little bit more because it's a natural color, but I decided to get it in a red because there's not a lot of, well, there's not a video with Coco in this color, so why not be the first, you know? The parting is extremely long, and I like that about this wig. So it gives it more of a sew-in type of effect with the closure, so that's what I really like about this wig. But this wig is definitely giving me Little Mermaid vibes from the fucking hood, but you know, this is it. But yeah, that's all I can really say about this wig. This is like the worst wig video I ever done. Oh my gosh, but I'm gonna keep going because the show don't stop, okay? Gotta keep going, rock it on out, even though I feel like I'm in shambles because I got this fucking glossy lid trying to be like my friend, and I know I can't do it like her, so I'm in fucking shambles. But y'all let me know if y'all like this wig on me. I don't know. I look alright. I look decent. I'm not ugly. Like, I don't look a mess in it. Okay, let me get out this fucking video. Alright, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. All the links to this wig will be in the description box below. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get this stuff off my eyes and get my life because I have work. Okay, so love y'all, Urban Mafia. See y'all in my next video. I love y'all. I gotta go. This shit right here.